Hi guys. For today's video, I'm here with mommy and magsusundo kami ng mga bata. And yesterday, na-prank siya ng mga bata dahil nagtago yung mga bata sa likod, and this time
ako na naman yung magtatago.
siya naman yung magtatago sa likod. So yeah, just a simple video just for fun. Let's go. Say bato naman nagpa. Say bato naman. Nagawa sa mga bata.
Surprise!
So ayun guys, try namin i-prank si ate tsaka si Mian ngayon. Kasi medyo matagal na rin kami gumagawa ng mga videos na prank. And it's already ano pa pala ngayon, it's almost 2. So maaga silang umuwi sa school ngayon. So ayun guys, malapit na kami sa school nila. Actually sa library pala sila susunduin niya yan. And papark ko lang saglit. Siguro mamaya. Dito na lang ako siguro magpapark. Hindi ka babalhin me.
Babalhin?
Ha? Pwede ka nang babalhin. So lilipat si Meiji sa likod. And pakilipat na rin ito. So ang mangyayari, papunta sa pinakalikod. Same nung ginawa ng mga bata yesterday. Pero di lang namin na-videoan kasi
Ano kung maigoan hindi?
hindi ka maigo. Kariyot lang. So gagawin namin tong prank na to is just to see what kung ano yung reaction ng mga bata. Okay ka lang dyan, mami?
Yeah.
Say yes. Very good. Let's go. And tatawagan ko pala si G-Will. Sorry. Number din ni mami.
Ayaw ka na amita.
I-off imong kuhan palihog. Mabubuking tayo nito.
Na, akong jiwin na.
Tumawag sa'yo. Sabihin mo, papunta si daddy.
Hello ate, daddy's on his way. I love you.
So, yeah. Natatawagan ko muna.
Bawas na bigay.
Maya.
Makalakaw-lakaw na.
So I'm gonna call Jewel. Tawagan ko muna si ate. Hello ate. Hello.
Do you go out now?
Yeah, I'm almost there.
Okay.
Can you go out na?
What?
Gawas na mo. See you ate, gawas na mo tayo. So, andito na kami guys. Tayo na natin sila. Usually pag medyo mahaba pa yung araw tapos gusto nilang late na kukunin, dito sila magtatambay sa may library. Malapit din naman sa school nila. So andito sila ngayon. So ayan na sila guys. Mian tsaka si Jewel. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Bless.
Oh my gosh.
Bless.
Bart.
What?
Oh, Ate Jen says hi.
Oh, okay. She's there.
We are one body.
You go at the same time. I wanna see you at the same.
We are one body. One body.
What's one body?
It's just a song that goes, we are one body in Christ.
How's school, man?
Good.
You like school?
No. Yeah.
What?
Who likes school? I
You
have
don't
no
like
access.
school? How about you, Mian?
I like the after school. Like I like to eat.
Eat?
Like to eat.
You just wanna eat?
Eat. I was hungry, so I ate food. I
Oh,
ate the
you-
spaghetti.
Eat the spaghetti, you like it?
So yeah, it's cheesy.
Cheesy.
Mine didn't have cheese. I didn't want cheese.
Oh.
One.
One,
We are one.
two.
Daddy, are you recording us?
What? No?
You're recording us, Daddy. Whenever that thing's on, you're recording.
Is it on?
Hey, it's going red.
Why is it on? Oh, it's on.
Are you making a new video about picking us up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mommy.
Ah! Mommy is pranking you.
It's a prank.
It's a prank. We prank you. You can't see mommy. You help mommy.
Okay. Pull the lever.
Oh, good.
Excuse me.
That's why it was awfully quiet.
Did mommy
Did you
prank
see me?
you?
Were you surprised?
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Yeah. So our prank is successful? Huh?
No.
Huh?
No, it was not.
No,
found out
because
you
you
were
didn't
recording.
know. You didn't know, mommy.
Yeah, but we found out you were recording.
Yeah, but you didn't know we're pranking you. So it's our prank is successful. You say bye-bye na sa vlog.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.